Hey everyone, and welcome back to the mathematical mindset. So right here guys, we have this Harvard University math question. So we have to find the values of m and n. Alright, so right here we have this to be n plus n is equals to 6. Making n the subject, we have this to be 6 minus what n. And we can call this equation 1 and we can also call this equation 2. So at this point we are going to say from equation 2 we have that mn is equals to what 36. So n multiply, now we have that n is equals to 6 minus m, so we have 6 minus m and this is equals to 36. M multiply 6 is 6m minus m multiply m squared, and this is equals to what 36. Rearrange and set to 0, we have 6m minus m squared minus 36 is equals to 0. Arranging this, we have minus m squared plus 6m minus 36 is equals to 0. Then we want to simply multiply through by minus. So if we multiply through by minus, we have this to be m squared minus 6m plus 36, and this is equals to 0. So from here we have that a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 6, and c is equals to what 36. Applying the quadratic formula, we have that x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divide what 2a. So we have that m is equals to minus into minus 6 plus minus the square root of b to be minus 6 all square minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 36, divide 2 multiply a, which is 1. So m is equals to minus times minus is plus, so we have 6 plus minus the square root of minus 6 square is 36 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 36 is going to give us 144, divides 2 multiply 1 is 2. So m is equals to 6 plus minus the square root of 36 minus 144 will give us minus 108, divide what 2. So from here we have that m is equals to 6 plus minus the square root of minus 108 can be expressed as 36 multiplied 3 multiply negative 1, divide what 2. So m is equals to 6 plus minus the square root of 36 multiply the square root of 3 multiply the square root of negative 1, divide what 2. So m is equals to 6 plus minus the square root of 36 is 6 square root of 3, but the square root of negative 1 is equals to I, so we have this to be I, divide what 2. M is equals to, if you factor out 2, we have 3 plus minus 3, the square root of 3i, divide what 2. So if this cancel out this, we have that m is equals to 3 plus minus 3, the square root of what 3i. So from here we have that m1 is equals to 3 plus 3 multiply the square root of 3i, and m2 is equals to 3 minus 3 multiply the square root of what 3i. So we have been able to find the values of m. So in order for us to find the value of n, we want to simply apply this equation right here. Okay, so at this point we are going to say for n, we have that n is equals to 6 minus what m. So we are going to say for m1, which is 3 plus 3 multiply the square root of 3i, we have that n is equals to 6 minus, for m we have 3 plus 3 the square root of what 3i. So n is equals to 6 multiply the bracket by negative sign, we have minus 3 the square root of what 3i. So n is equals to 6 minus 3 is 3, minus 3 multiply the square root of what 3i. So we have been able to solve for the first part. So we are going to say for m2 equals to 3 minus 3 the square root of 3i, we have that n is equals to 6 minus, in brackets we have 3 minus 3 the square root of what 3i. So n is equals to 6 multiply the bracket by negative sign, we have minus 3 plus 3 multiply the square root of 3i, and n is equals to 6 minus 3 is 3 plus 3 the square root of what 3i. So we are going to say m1 and n1 is equals to 3 plus 3 the square root of 3i and 3 minus 3 the square root of what 3i, and we have m2 n2 is equals to 3 minus 3 the square root of 3i and 3 plus 3 the square root of what 3i. So we have been able to find the values of m and n. So at this point, let's simply verify to show that our answer is actually correct. So we are going to say n plus n is equals to 6, and we have mn is equals to what 36. Okay, so for this we are going to say mn is equals to 3 plus 3 the square root of 3i and 3 minus 3 the square root of what? 3i. So we are going to apply this here. So for n plus n equals to 6, we have this to be 3 plus 3 multiply the square root of 3i plus 3 minus 3 multiply the square root of 3i, and this is equals to 6. So we have that this we cancel out this, so we have 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 3 plus 3 is 6, which is equals to 6. So left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. So we have been able to prove this right here. So for mn equals to 6, we have m to be 3 plus 3 the square root of 3i multiply 3 minus 3 the square root of 3i, and this is equals to what? 36. Now I want to simply know that if we have a plus b multiply a minus b, this is equals to a square minus what? B square. So we have this to be 3 square minus into 3 to the square root of 3i or square, and this is equals to what? 36. 3 square is 9 minus. Open up this, we have this to be 3 square multiply the square root of 3 all square multiply I square, and this is equals to what? 36. So 9 minus 3 square is 9. This we cancel by this, multiply 3 multiply. Now I square is negative 1, and this is equals to what? 36. So we have 9 minus 9 multiply 3 multiply negative 1 will give us plus 27, and this is equals to what? 36. So from here 9 plus 27 is 36, which is equals to what? 36, and this has been what? Proved. So we have been able to verify this right here. So guys, that is how you can easily solve this Harvard University math question right here. So with this, I'll see you in the next video, and if you've not yet subscribed, please do to click onto that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and I'll catch you in the next one.